First, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 20 millimeters by 5. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to construct offset plane. Select the front plane here. Make a plane here with 80 millimeters of distance and press OK. Now go to create a sketch again and select this new plane here. Let me hide the sketch one. Go to 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Click here, make a rectangle here 10 by 4 millimeters and press OK. Finish the sketch. We have this, okay. Go to create and select Loft. Select this profile first and then this profile. And the profile one, change this, connect to direction and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to construct offset plane, select the front plane here, make a plane here with 25 millimeters of distance and press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane here, select a circle, make a circle here with 16 millimeters of diameter, press OK and finish the sketch. Now go to construct again, offset, click here. In this plane, make a plane here with 7 millimeters of distance. Press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane here. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 4.5 millimeters of distance of diameter and finish the sketch. We have this. Now we can hide this body one. Okay. Go to create and select Loft. Select this profile first and then this profile. Okay. And the profile one, select direction, operation, new body, press OK. We have two bodies here, okay. Now go to modify, select combine, the target body, this body, and the tool body, this body. Operation join and press OK. We have this with only one body, okay. Now go to fillet. Select this edge here, this edge here, and this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. And press OK. We have this, okay. And go to fillet again. Select this edge here, this edge here, this edge here, and this edge. The fillet here is 1.5 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to modify and select shell. Select this face here and this face here. The thickness here is 0.5 millimeters. Direction inside. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create, project include, project. Select this face here, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. Extrude this 80 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.